What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And for today's video I have an amazing update. Potentially we have some evidence that something big is happening behind the scenes. We have potential evidence that MMTLP shares might be tradable at the moment on a gray market, and I will show you my 2 cents regarding this news, and I will show you how this might even be possible. And before we dive deep into all of this, guys, I want to kindly ask you just one thing. I want to exchange more than 4 hours of my daily hard work for a split second of your time. Just hit the like button for YouTube algorithm, and this video will be pushed forward to a broader audience, and eventually this will help us to win our battle. So just hit the like button. And guys, let's start with this news. We are on MMTLPresources.com, and this article was published just minutes ago, and it's titled "What's going on with Webull?" Some MMTLP shareholders are seeing mixed messages from their broker. Apparently, Webull is making some changes. Users are reporting their MMTLP placeholder shares marked as MMTLPWB may be listed as gray or private, and some see both of those terms. And here's the tweet that was made by Paul T. And let me show you this in his Twitter account. And by the way, shout out to Paul T, because he's done amazing due diligence in a matter of last several hours, and basically he found out this issue. So 15 hours ago, as you can see, he reposted this tweet that was originally made by Dev, and he published this screenshot with the comment, "We will show in gray market for next breach." On top of that, right here, 8 hours ago, he reposted the tweet from D, and here is the screenshot that MMTLPWB is on gray exchange. And guys, let me show you what does it mean gray market or gray exchange. What is a gray market? A gray market is an unofficial market for financial securities. Gray or gray market trading generally occurs when a stock that has been suspended from trades off the market, or when new securities are bought and sold before official trading begins. And let me show you further. Right here we can see quite a strange response from Webull, and they said Webull does not support trading gray market securities, unfortunately, since they are not traded or quoted on an exchange or inter-dealer quotation system. Investors' bids and offers are not collected in a central spot, so market transparency is diminished and effective execution of orders is difficult. Sincerely, Rick, Webull is service representative. And this means that they don't want to respond, they don't want to confirm that MMTLPWB is on the gray market, but we have a lot of evidence of this. So, 8 hours ago, Paul T also wrote, "We have been receiving conflicting reports regarding Webull. Some are seeing gray market, others are seeing private." And right here, you can see the tweet that he refers to, and Iremanda wrote, "Had been gray since it popped back up on Webull, but now my MMTLPWB shares show private." On top of that, right here you can see that the screenshot, next screenshot, and with the private status, but previously it was a gray market. And here's another screenshot that was published by RJM. There are 4 MMTLP next breach tickers I know of on Webull. I don't think the name change means much. We've seen it before. We will need to wait for corporate action or possible FBI or SEC announcement, in my opinion. And guys, what does it mean? I think something big is happening behind the scenes. Because if this type of quite huge broker dealers made these statements that they cannot see the gray market, but at the same time their ticker symbols, the MMTLP WB ticker symbol has the status private or gray market, This means something big is happening behind the scenes. And what it might be? Let me show you that just several weeks ago, Hamshort Killer wrote this, and I covered it in one of my previous videos. And he said, Fidelity is reaching out to big holders in MMTLP, offered them north of $100. Just got a call on this. The game is coming to the end fast. Wake up, people, it's showtime. F them, soon it will be party time. And it was the rumors back in September, back in the end of September, but these rumors partially was confirmed by John Burda. Hamshort Killer wrote, John Burda, how about a comment on what I am hearing? And he refers to his tweet that I just read to you. And John Burda wrote, heard similar rumors, but cannot verify as I am not at Fidelity. And guys, gray market in general is the place where huge broker-dealers or market makers can do their deals without the disclosure of these deals. But they have to negotiate the price of certain assets. And during the times when FINRA and SEC are stonewalling our efforts to disclose the information, we know that NextBridge Hydrocarbons has a lot of short positions, still has a lot of short positions that were opened back in MMTLP, and then it was transferred to NextBridge Hydrocarbons. And we know that this is basically an illegal action, and that is why FINRA and SEC don't want to disclose this information. But for now, behind the scenes, potential, they're trying to hide this information. They are trying basically to close these positions with the shares, with the existing shares of NextBridge Hydrocarbons shareholders. But let me show you this. RareDD wrote this tweet 15 hours ago, and he said, R. Rubenstein was on FINRA's board as early as 2017, when he and Robert Colby presented at the conference below. They were basically co-workers. 2023, Colby is corresponding with NBH and FINRA is hiding which market makers got MMTLP trading. Imagine learning it was GTS Securities. And we know R. Rubenstein is the head of GTS Securities, and GTS Securities is the company that was involved in the beginning of illegal trading of MMTLP shares. And this is how it might happen, because R. Rubenstein was on FINRA's board of directors just several years ago. And how we can fight against this? Let me show you this news. First of all, this one. Moonshot Media UK wrote this. Possible game changer. The SEC proposes new rule to prohibit brokers and market makers from using options to fake cover FTDs. They won't be able to fake fail to deliver covering and closes Reg SHO loopholes. Rule number SRNSCC 2023-007 will guarantee settlement and FTDs will have to be closed, forcing short sellers to buy legit shares on the open market. Read more in filing below. And here is the link on this article. And I have to say that this might be very useful, especially in our case, because it will prevent market makers and major broker-dealers who potentially were involved in this illegal activity. It will prevent them to buy back these shares on the gray market. And this information should be public. And we have to know this information in order to receive the transparent and fair markets. So, let me switch again to this article, and let me show you the very bottom of it. Truth, it's kind of odd that different users on Webull would be seeing different messages. After MMTLP was halted in December 2022, many shareholders speculated that brokers would be contacting their shareholders, offering them a price to buy back their MMTLP shares on the gray market, meaning something like a private sale. As far as we know, none of these offers ever materialized. And so far, we don't know whether these deals are happening right now or not. We can only assume, but we have to fight against this, and to do it, we have to support our headliners, because this information might be disclosed, in my opinion, only because of the legal actions and the judges' orders. And we have several litigation process is on the table right now, and that is why just we have to wait, and we have to wait for the resolution. But definitely this news shows that potentially this might end very soon, and this might end in our favor. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born around